Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss in the preparation of the cycloalkanes the fifth method from intramolecular cyclization of dihalides. Now generally the organic compounds which contain two halogens within the molecule. So only one molecule contains two halogens adjacently. So such type of compounds are generally called as intramolecular dihalide compounds. So these dihalide compounds which contain two halogens on reaction with a sodium metal in excess amount or on reaction with a zinc metal in presence of sodium iodide, they form cycloalkanes by cyclization. Now let us see one example in this case. Now if we consider one dihalogen which contain two bromine, so within the molecule on first carbon and the fourth carbon, therefore it is a dihalide compound, intramolecular dihalide compound. So this compound on reaction with the sodium metal or on reaction with the zinc sodium iodide compound, then the sodium which reacts with the two bromine, then which eliminates in the form of 2 moles of sodium bromide, so that the first carbon and the fourth carbon which loses bromine and in between 1 and 4 carbons the single bond is formed, so that it forms cyclobutane. Now if we consider one more example. Now in this case we have 1,6 dibromohexane. On the first carbon, on the sixth carbon we have two bromines are there. So therefore these dihalide on reaction with zinc sodium iodide mixture, then which eliminate in the form of zinc bromide, that is zinc combines with the two bromines, eliminate in the form of zinc bromide, so that between 1 and 6th carbon a single bond is formed, so that it forms cyclohexane. Now therefore we are saying that between first carbon and the 6th carbon, here in between them a single bond is formed, so that it converts to cyclohexane. Now if we consider one more example. Now in this case we have two bromines are there, they are reacting with sodium metal in excess amount. Therefore between this carbon and this carbon a single bond is generated, so that it converts to a bicyclic compound. Now if we consider one more example. In this case we have bromine and bromine is there, so that by elimination of the zinc one on reaction with zinc, by eliminating the form of zinc bromide, it forms a spiro compound, spiro 2,2-pentane. Now all of you do some examples, some exercises. That is, we have two bromines are there on adjacently, so it is a dihalogen compound. On reaction with zinc, on reaction with sodium, write down the product's name. Now in the other examples also we have bromine and bromine is there. So therefore on reaction with zinc, they are eliminated in the form of zinc bromide ZnBr2, so that between these two carbon a single bond is generated. Now if we consider one more example. Now in this molecule also we have bromine is there, it is a dihalogen compound within the molecule, that is intramolecular. So on reaction with zinc sodium iodide, so that they eliminate in the form of zinc bromide, between these two carbons a single bond is generated. Now all of you do some examples related to these two compounds. Now so far we are completed the fifth methods related to the preparation of the cycloalkanes. Now if you go for the sixth method of cycloalkanes from DEM, diethyl melanoate.